Hey, Gary Bernier, Wizard of Digital at Business Growth Guys and Wizard of Ads partner. And today what we're going to talk about is Google's ad recommendations and should you trust them or not. So on my screen, I brought up one of my ads. It happens to be a responsive ad I do True Colors workshops. It's kind of my fun thing to do. First thing you'll notice is I already have 15 headlines in here and the ad strength is average. And we want to look at some of these suggestions or recommendations from Google. So Toronto indoor team building is good and request a proposal is a good suggestion because I do have a button on the website to request a proposal. So that's a pretty good call to action, one that I can live with. This one, the Toronto indoor team building, I struggle with because there's already an indoor team building activities piece of text in here. But as you can see, if we look at these, producing aha moments, travel to your location, True Colors presentation, that one I could probably take out because I've pinned True Colors team building to the top. So let's take out the True Colors presentation. Let's take that out. And let's add in the request for a proposal. That's probably an improvement. And I've got another True Colors training in here, which I could probably take out. Now, call to action phrases. If you study direct response marketing, they always say you should have a call to action. This is where I find it challenging for service-based businesses because you can't necessarily order online or shop online. They can inquire now, they can call us today, or they can contact us now. So we can do something like that or request a quote, so I can do one of those. It's not about price for me, so promotional phrases don't work. And this is where you have to look at your business and say, should I take these recommendations or not? If you're the high cost provider, then you shouldn't take these recommendations. Trust phrases, I don't know whether these work or not. If you have a best price guarantee, maybe that one would work. Money back guarantee. So if you have a guarantee, that would be a great thing to put in there. Otherwise, you're just saying you're high quality and they should be able to figure that out anyways. Inventory, there isn't an inventory issue for my service-based business, so these recommendations don't work. And we're not conveniently located. I drive to them, so location phrases don't work. But again, you'll have to look at your business to see whether any of this phraseology, and we don't ship anything, so the same-day shipping really doesn't play in. So there's a lot of times with a service-based business where the recommendations don't actually fit the business. So let's pop something else into here. Contact us now, call us now. How about get in touch today? Like that phraseology. So there we've added 2 call to actions into this. And those are reasonable. Now it wants Toronto indoor team building, so maybe I take the indoor team building activities out and I add the Toronto, and I'm still sitting at average, right? And when you look at these ideas, there's nothing in here that's going to make this better. So there are times when the recommendations are really valid for you to take, and there's other times when you go, no, it just doesn't fit. And this just happens to be one of these cases where I've put the keywords in, I'm happy with my 15 headlines, and that's just the way it's going to be. So I'm going to hit save ad and I'm going to continue working on something else. So in this case, I think the best I can do is get this ad to average because I don't actually like the recommendations that Google's given me. So anyways, I hope that helps you. Google's AI is doing the best thing, but they really have a direct marketing concept. Call to action, tell them all about your product features and benefits, not necessarily the branding side of life. So you really have to look at your business and judge for yourself whether those recommendations fit or not. If they don't take them. That's my advice to you. So if you like this video, click like, click subscribe so you can see more of the Google AdWords videos, and thank you.